Sohini, you are currently company as well while making this transition to a whole new technology field, learning a completely new field like data science, which is in itself a huge task. I'm sure it must be hectic for you at times to, juggle between your work as well as, learning this new skill. So how has this whole journey of, juggling between two different things at the same time been for you?
The journey between juggling myself between these two have been very exciting, if I say this, because I knew what I was getting myself into, and I had 100% commitment towards both my time, whatever that I had to give the deliverables at my office, and also when the classes were on, I was totally there, focused and attentive in my classes. So I think for any individual, the commitment matters, the priority matters. So when you are very head straight and when you know that you want to pursue something, so you need to have a strong plan with you. You need to have a very good schedule with you where you can manage, and take the best of both the world. So I think a good plan, the support that we get from Board Infinity, and the kind of flexibility that we receive from Board Infinity, help had always helped me in managing these two things. And whenever I'm again in my classes, and whenever I switch into my student mode, I am I am very much in my comfort zone. I feel in my comfort zone, and I never feel that something is pressurizing me, or maybe I cannot manage the time. So with the support from Board Infinity, along with the commitment from an individual sides, I think there will be no problem when you are taking this initiative and going ahead to study.